Electrical installations in healthcare facilities and standard for ventilation control and fire protection of commercial cooking operations are relevant to lighting above food preparation and serving areas. Fixtures must be labeled as food service equipment. Fixtures must be installed to minimize the accumulation of dust and grease. Fixtures must have a shatterproof lens or other suitable protection to prevent lamp fragments from getting into food. Lenses or other protective covers must be made of shatterproof material. Lenses must be designed to capture lamp fragments in the event of a rupture. Louvers are not considered an acceptable substitute for lenses. Louvers allow light to escape upwards, which can increase the risk of contamination. Fixtures with lenses must be installed at least 12 inches above exposed food. Fixtures with lenses may be installed closer if they are recessed or have a protective covering to prevent contact with food. Fixtures without lenses must be installed at least 24 inches above exposed food. The National Electrical Code Article 411, the International Fire Code Section 602 and NFPA 96 are relevant codes to review. Article 411 of the National Electrical Code covers lighting systems operating at 30 volts or less. While it doesn't specifically address food preparation areas, it's essential for low-voltage lighting setups. Section 602 of the International Fire Code outlines fire safety requirements for various occupancies, including those where food is prepared and served. NFPA 96, the standard for ventilation control and fire protection of commercial cooking operations, focuses on the fire safety aspects of commercial cooking operations, including lighting. Let's delve into the specifics of lighting fixture requirements. Firstly, all fixtures must be explicitly labeled as food service equipment. This labeling ensures that the fixtures meet specific standards for use in food preparation areas, indicating they are designed to withstand the environment and minimize contamination risks. Secondly, proper installation is crucial. Fixtures must be installed in a way that minimizes the accumulation of dust and grease. This helps maintain hygiene and prevents potential fire hazards. Regular cleaning schedules should also be implemented to prevent buildup. Thirdly, and perhaps most importantly, fixtures must have a shatterproof lens or other suitable protection. This is to prevent lamp fragments from getting into food in the event of a lamp rupture. The lens or protective cover should be robust enough to contain the fragments and prevent contamination. Now let's talk about lens requirements in more detail. 1. Lenses or other protective covers must be made of shatterproof material. This ensures that if the lens itself breaks, it won't shatter into small pieces that could contaminate food. 2. Lenses must be designed to capture lamp fragments in the event of a rupture. This means the lens should be designed with a lip, edge, or other mechanism to contain the glass fragments. It's crucial to understand that louvers are not considered an acceptable substitute for lenses. 1. Louvers allow light to escape upwards, which can increase the risk of contamination. Since they don't provide a complete barrier, they can't prevent glass fragments or other contaminants from falling into food preparation areas. Let's explore the clearance and distance requirements for lensed and non-lens fixtures. For lens fixtures, fixtures with lenses must be installed at least 12 inches above exposed food. This provides a minimum safety margin to prevent contamination. However, fixtures with lenses may be installed closer if they are recessed or have a protective covering to prevent contact with food. Recessed fixtures are less likely to contaminate food because they are set into the ceiling. A protective covering provides an additional barrier. For non-lensed fixtures, fixtures without lenses must be installed at least 24 inches above exposed food. This greater distance is required because there is no lens to prevent lamp fragments or other contaminants from falling into the food. In summary, firstly, ensure all fixtures are labeled as food service equipment. Secondly, install fixtures to minimize dust and grease accumulation. Thirdly, use shatterproof lenses or other suitable protection to prevent lamp fragments from contaminating food. Fourthly, do not use louvers as a substitute for lenses. Fifthly, install lens fixtures at least 12 inches above exposed food or closer if recessed or protected. Sixthly, install non-lens fixtures at least 24 inches above exposed food. Finally, consult the National Electrical Code Article 411, the International Fire Code Section 602 and NFPA 96 for complete requirements. I'll now provide more detail on the NEC, IFC and NFPA standards. Although the NEC Article 411 pertains to lighting systems operating at 30 volts or less, understanding its requirements is crucial when low-voltage lighting is used in food preparation areas. It covers aspects like wiring methods, overcurrent protection, and grounding, ensuring that the low-voltage lighting system is safe and reliable. Even if the primary lighting is not low voltage, supplementary low-voltage lighting might be used for specific tasks, and these installations must comply with Article 411. Now regarding the International Fire Code Section 602, it addresses fire safety requirements for various occupancies, including those where food is prepared and served. This section of the IFC typically covers fire protection systems, fire-resistant construction, and means of egress. While it doesn't explicitly detail lighting fixture specifications, it emphasizes the importance of maintaining a safe environment to prevent fires. It might reference other standards that provide specific requirements for lighting in commercial kitchens. Fire safety inspections in food preparation facilities often include checks for compliance with the IFC. Now let's look at NFPA 96, which is the standard for ventilation control and fire protection of commercial cooking operations. NFPA 96 is specifically designed to address fire safety in commercial cooking operations. This standard includes requirements for ventilation systems, grease removal devices, and fire suppression systems. It also covers the placement and type of lighting fixtures. The primary goal of NFPA 96 is to prevent and control fires that may occur due to cooking operations. Lighting is included to prevent overheating and shattering of light bulbs. The standard may provide guidelines on the types of lighting fixtures that are suitable for use in commercial kitchens. Requirements often call for fixtures that are easy to clean and maintain, and that can withstand the high temperatures and grease-laden environments typically found in commercial kitchens. NFPA 96 requires lighting in commercial kitchens to be adequate for safe operation. It provides guidelines on the minimum illumination levels needed for different areas such as cooking surfaces, preparation areas, and dishwashing stations. These illumination levels ensure that employees can perform their tasks safely and efficiently. NFPA 96 includes requirements to minimize the risk of shattered glass contaminating food. This may involve using shatter-resistant bulbs or protective covers for lighting fixtures. Regular inspections are crucial to ensure that lighting fixtures are in good condition and that protective measures are in place. A comprehensive understanding of these codes and standards is essential for anyone involved in designing, installing, or maintaining lighting systems in food preparation areas. Proper lighting not only enhances visibility and safety but also plays a crucial role in preventing contamination and ensuring compliance with health and fire safety regulations. Additionally, understanding these codes and standards helps ensure compliance with health and fire safety regulations, promoting a safe and hygienic food preparation environment. Remember to regularly review and update your knowledge of these codes and standards as they may change over time.